Hey everyone, Dave Sports Cards here, back with another break, doing another box of 2017 Bowman Mega Box. Girlfriend picked me up when she got out of work, and I ended up going to Target, and she got me a Mega Box. So, this will be my second one today, so pretty cool. Let's get into it. Courtesy of my girlfriend, so thank you very much. 2017 Bowman Mega Box. Sure by now you guys you know what these are all about. 5 regular packs of 2017 Bowman, and then 2 packs of Mega Box exclusives. That does not want a shot. Expired coupon. Mega Packs. And the regular. So let's get to it. Pack number 1. Jackie Bradley Jr., Troy Tulowitzki, Yulieski Gurriel, rookie, Alex Reyes, Manny Margot, Bo Bichette, Chrome, Luis Garcia, Tyler O'Neill, Chrome, Chris Shaw, and Lazarito Armenteros. Josh Donaldson, Ichiro, Carlos Correa, Stephen Piscotty, George Springer, James Schultz, Chrome, Steven Gonsalves, Donnie Deweese, Chrome, Brian Anderson, and Blake Rutherford. Gregory Polanco, Bryce Harper, Buster Posey, Xander Bogaerts, Braden Shipley, rookie, Mike Soroka, Joe Jimenez, Chrome, Antonio Sanzatella, Chrome, Daz Cameron, and Matt Thies, probably one of those, or neither, none of them. Tyler Glasnow, rookie, Mike Trout, Hunter Renfroe, rookie, Joe Musgrove, rookie, Manny Machado, Kyle Funkhauser, Chrome, Kyle Tucker, Tristan McKenzie, Chrome, Austin Voth, and Antonio Sanzatella. Last regular pack. Chris Sale, Jake Arrieta, Gary Sanchez, Omar Mazar, Craig Kimbrell, Kyle Lewis, Chrome, Josh Hader, Willie Adams, Adames, Chrome, Mauricio Dubon, and Austin Meadows. Alright, on to the Mega Packs. Pack number 1. These are really slick looking cards. I do like them. Looks like there's a purple in here. Eric Fetty, Francisco Mejia, Angel Pedromo, Weimer Becerra, and a purple of Abraham Gutierrez. Parallels are really nice looking. And that is number 29 out of 250. So I've got a purple. Odds on purples are 1 in 19, so not bad. And the second pack. Roniel Rauds, Eloy Jimenez, it's nice looking, Ronald Acuna, and 2 pipeline inserts. That's unique. Victor Robles, one of them is a green, looks like. Eric Fetty and Austin Voth, and then AJ Puck, Yairo Munoz, and Franklin Barreto. I think that's a green. Yep, that's a green. 78 out of 99. So, okay. 2 talent pipelines, but one of them is a green. So each pack had a parallel. That's pretty cool. Green on 99. What are the odds on getting the talent pipeline parallel? Well, 1 in 47 on those, so not bad. Got a 1 in 19 purple and a 1 in 47 green talent pipeline. So pretty nice. Really nice looking cards. I really do like the design on these. So not too bad. I'll take it. Got some color. Hope you guys enjoyed the break. Thanks for watching, everyone.